Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the hip clip boss. As you can see here, I have the boss already on my pants belt and I have my shirt tucked in. It works best that way. I can pull the towel out easily, and just by squeezing my hand against the boss, it puts the towel in quickly. I'll show you what I'm doing. The palm of my hand is on top and I'm just squeezing just like you would grab onto a bar or something. Just grab, and it opens. So if I take the towel, let it hang naturally in my hand. You don't want to get the towel too bunched up. That will be too thick to get into the boss. Just let it fall naturally in your hand. This is perfect. And the second you go at it, I'm pulling up into the tooth of the boss while my palm is on the back, and it makes it go in. It's super fast. It's super strong. It's not going to fall out. You don't want to use just one ply like this. It does work, but it doesn't give a real great grab on the material. Generally, you let the towel fall, and that's perfect. Now you can put the boss on either side you want. Just grab it like this so that this overlap is sticking out, and it will grab the belt as you're going down. So I'm going down this way with it. I'm grabbing the lip of the belt. I'm also kind of holding onto my belt to help push down. And there you go. It's on this side. So you can have one on each side, which works great. Now I've got another boss on this side. This happens to be a blue boss. They come in lots of different colors. When you get it on your belt, you can adjust them a little bit side to side, but they work perfectly like this. Have a couple of towels ready, and you can hold them on your pants very easily. To pull them off, just pull straight up. Here's the boss for use on an industrial work belt. Put the belt on. The way this belt works is 3 clips is the best. 3 is the best. Put one on this side, put one in the middle, and put one on this side. This is your first towel. You're getting this towel kind of dirty. This towel's a little bit cleaner. It's doing the secondary part of the job. This towel is nice and perfect and fresh and clean, and you know that you always get a clean wipe with it. When these towels get too dirty, you'll take this one and maybe put it off in the truck. You'll move these two this way. Then you'll put a brand new fresh towel on this side. Now you've got the dirtiest, less dirty, and your cleanest towel, and it keeps moving that way. That way you always know you have a clean towel on this side. That's how it works for a commercial work belt. So don't waste time trying to shove towels into your pocket, getting your pocket all dirty and wet like that. Just put them on a boss clip and you'll be able to work faster and cleaner.